Students, now just I am going to discuss with you next lecture, that is a calculation of equations of motion. I mean derivation of equations of motion using calculation. Derivation of equations of motion using calculation. Okay. Slowly I will tell, so no problem. So just you have to seems to be difficult, but no problem. Just you can because I don't know the what we call the formulas of exact formulas of derivations and integration. And before that, just I want to discuss with you one more formula. That is, we know A equal to instantaneous acceleration, or A equal to dv bar by dt. Or else I will take magnitude of acceleration. Just you can reason A equal to dv by dt. So we can write this A in another form also. How it is, we see A equal to, can I write dv by ds into ds by dt? Can I write like this? Sure, because ds will be cancelled, so again it is a dv by dt only, right? So A equal to dv by dt, we know the formula. And again A, how we can write means, A means dv by ds, right? And into ds by dt I written like this. So again here ds cancels, so again dv by dt only will be there. So why I am writing like this means A equal to dv, ds by dt is nothing but what? Instantaneous velocity. If you choose it is a displacement, then it is a ds by dt is nothing but v into dv by ds, into dv by ds, because velocity equal to this ds by dt, right? So just we can remember this formula also. Just you can remember that formula also, right? So because we can use this formula in this next, I mean coming lecture, right? Yes. Next, side heading, derivation of equations of motion, derivation of equations of motion, equations of motion using calculation method, using calculation method. Derivation of equations of motion using calculation method. So here we will not derive these fourth equation of motion calculation method. We can derive only three equations of motion. That is, we know V equal to U plus AD, and the second one is S equal to UT plus half VT square, and the third one is V square minus U square equal to this. Just we can write that side heading first. First I will derive V equal to U plus A. We know A equal to dV by dt. We know A equal to dV by dt, but consider at t equal to 0, time t equal to 0, and consider at the time t equal to 0, velocity is u, velocity is v, because if time t is starting from rest means the u equal to 0, then it becomes v. At t equal to t, this velocity will be there, and that is u, right? So just you can we can generally write, you no need to write also these 2 points. So see, it is equation 1. Understand? So from equation 1, I will cross multiply both sides. Then it is a dt and it is a dv. A dt into dv. That only know A dt into dv. So now integration both sides. It is equation number 2. We can integrate both sides. We can integrate both sides. So you can apply integration on both sides. Then it is a dt. You can write this integration on both sides. A dt into integration of dv. Right? So here I am taking it is a 0 to t, and here I am taking here u to v, u to v. Understand? As at a time t equal to 0, at a time t equal to 0, so velocity is u, and at a time t equal to t, velocity is v. Why? Because initially, if there is no time, the velocity is u. Time t means velocity is v. Then I told to you how we can integrate. So here you can write integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. So here there are different steps is there, right? So how the steps are is, first how we can choose to derive this v equal to u plus at. I have taken a equal to dv by dt, and after that how we can take integrate and how we can take limits. That limits are very important. If you are not choosing correct limits, you won't get the correct formula. So see here I am taking 0 to t a dt and u to v dv, right? Yes. Then if you see here, these all objects, and one more thing I want to tell to you, I missed the formula. That is, for example, see integration of a to b k dx. Integration of a to b k dx. Here k is constant, so that time the formula is k integration of a to b into dx. Then integration of dx is nothing but x. Then it is a to b. This is a formula from one more formula for integration. Just to write down this formula also. Integration of k dx a to b. Then here k is constant. If you assume, then k we can write outside. Understand? Yes. See now, just I am writing that on this side. I am writing that one on this side. Then it becomes, see, integration of 0 to t a dt plus integration of u v dv. So here we know to derive these equations of motion, all objects are moving with constant acceleration. Then here acceleration is constant. Then a integration of 0 to t dt. Then integration of u to v dv. So already I told d and integration will be cancelled. So integration of dx is x, integration of dy is y. Like the integration of dt is t. The limits 0 to t. Integration of dv is v with limits u to v. Then you can substitute upper limit minus lower limit, t minus 0 and upper limit v minus 2. So a into 2 at minus a into 0 0. Then at equal to v minus 2. Then v minus 2 equal to at, v minus 2 equal to at, v minus 2 equal to at, then v equal to u plus a. So this is how we can derive. Understand? d equal to u plus at. So no problem. While you are practicing, just you can feel. In first time, you feel somewhat difficult. You can note down this one also. Yes. Next one is s equal to ut plus at square. Consider second one. Second one is, so from v equal to ds by dt, instantaneous velocity, v equal to ds by dt, and you can cross multiply this, then v dt equal to ds. So now integration on both sides, then we will get v dt into integration of ds, v dt integration of ds. So now you can first you can write this. We know v equal to u plus a. So substitute that, then u plus at into dt equal to integration of ds. So now you can take the limits 0 to t, and it is a 0 to s. 0 to t, 0 to s. So then he can take here, I will take here. First you can split this, it is a multiply, then u into dt plus 80 into dt, that I will do here. So then integration of 0 to t u dt plus integration of 0 to t a dt, right? 80 dt, 80 dt equal to integration of 0 to s ds, right? So integration of 0 to d, see here, you can see here the limits are in the form of t. So but we can choose it is, if it limits are in the form of velocity means we can calculate this one. But the limits are in the form of t, then we can calculate dt. Then that time we can choose it's a constant. Right? Here also the limits are in the form of t, then here also we can take constant. Then u integration of dt is a t, then 0 to t plus a integration of 0 to t t dt equal to integration of ds is s 0 to s. Then it is a c, you can apply u t minus 0 plus a, it is a t power 1. I told already x power n. X power n is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here t power 1. T power 1 is nothing but nothing is there is 1 only. T power 1 plus 1 by 1. Then it is s minus 0. Then ut minus u into t, ut minus u into 0, 0 1. Then ut plus a t power 1 plus 1, t square by 2. If you multiply, if you substitute 0 to t, 0 is 0 only, you can just substitute t in the place of t, again t will come. Then it is s. Then it is a s equal to ut plus of a t square. This is the second one. Just you can see that one also. Right? If you want to search and more such one. Next last one. So we take a equal to dv by dt to derive third one. So we can write this a equal to dy by ds and ds by dt. So here ds by dt is nothing but v. Then v into dv by ds. Now this? Yes. Just I am considering this. A equal to dv by dt or dv v into, just I consider v into dv by ds also. So I send this ds this side, then a ds equal to v d. So now we can integration on both sides. Then it is a integration of a ds and integration of v d. Right? So now we can choose limits 0 to s and u to v. Right? So here in a is constant, then I will write a outside. Then 0 to s ds, then it is a v power 1, then it like x power n dx. X power n dx means integration of x power n dx into what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is a v 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. What is that? X power n is nothing but what? Integration of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then it is a v power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 u to v. Then a, so integration of ds is nothing but what? S. Then it is a 0 to s, then v square by 2 limits u to v. So then next step, so you can substitute here a s minus 0, next one v square by 2 minus u square by 2. Substitute v square by 2 minus lower limit u square by 2. Then a into s, as minus a into 0, 0. Then v square by 2 minus v square by 2. Then as LCM is 2, then v square minus u square. Then you substitute, send this to this side. Then 2as equal to v square minus u square, or v square minus u square equal to this. Got it? V square minus u square equal to 2as. So again I am telling you, if first time if you do this type of problems, I mean this type of calculation, first time it seems to be difficult. While you're practicing, it seems to be no problem. Don't worry about it, right? Because we need to calculate these equations of motion, and we need to do some problems also from this. And maybe in competitive exams, the problems will be from this type of models also. So for that only, I want to discuss with you. Actually, of course, I want to skip this, but I don't want to skip. Why? Because in competitive exams, at least one question will become means that time you felt bad. So for that only, just you have to habituate to learn this also. You can
Initially, whatever the new thing we can see seems to be first time it will be difficult. While after practicing, it seems to be easy, right? Okay, thank you, students.